Today guys, I show you how to fix OBS microphone not working, fix mic and audio. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, just open OBS like me and you will see here mic aux, go right click and go here properties. In this first section device you will see this. If you have this default, just switch this to microphone high definition. After that go OK and move up this parameter and you will see when you speak this needs to move up and down. If this don't still help, watch more, move here to settings, move here to audio and you will see here global audio device. Move this first, desktop audio, choose like me speakers, mic auxiliary audio, click this. If you have disabled all default, choose like me microphone high definition. And also leave this all audio like me disabled. Just enable this first for microphone. And go here OK. Test your microphone. As you can see everything looks so fine and work. And I show you one more test. Press Windows button and say sounds. Sound mixer, open it. And move here to app volume. You will see input, click on it and make sure you choose the right microphone. Just like me, microphone high definition. Choose this and you can close this. And test again microphone. As you can see, everything works and looks so fine. And that's it all guys for this video, how to fix OBS microphone not working, fast and easy. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.